Welcome to an episode of Amber Has No Idea What She's Doing. My Little Plumb, as I call my bike, had a flat tire not too long ago, and I'm only just now getting around to replacing it. I've had a flat tire before. I replaced it. Yay me. Only thing is, all knowledge of how to replace said flat tire has completely left my noggin. We're gonna try to find that knowledge again. This could be fun. This could be a disaster. Okay. Let's do this. I can do it. Bugs, get away from me. I don't taste good, I promise. I'm full of bile and vinegar. You don't want it. Trust me. Do I have time to grab water? Yes. This is our Victoria's Secret perfume down here in the south. Cutter Skin Sensations Insect Repellent. What was the one that I used? Was it you? 'Twas not you. If you were the one I used, please, by all means, let me know. Jump out at me. Give me a woohoo! You're kind of giving me a woohoo. Are you my woohoo? Oh! Did it move? What is it? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey? Which way am I going? But is it righty-tighty this way or righty-tighty that way? Oh, okay, righty-tighty that way. I think I just blinked a bug into my eyelid. Well, bug, you and I are one now. Is this how it do? How did I get this on? Like, seriously. How did I get that on? I think I'm sitting in an ant bed. Ah! Bug. I love nature. I just love it. Nature, it's wonderful. Come on, brain, work.